Alright, so I've clamped the piano hinge in place as to where it's going to be. Obviously I still need to cut it, but that's sort of the gist of how it's going to mount. And I've just got this bit of angle along the back here, which again I still need to cut, just so that when the fridge is out it offers a bit more support for the rails. I'll go ahead and cut these and mount them back on, and we can either rivet them or weld them. See how it goes. Alright, so they're cut. Just marked the edge of them. So obviously I'm welding them. Well, obviously I decided I would weld them, so I've ground back the paint. Marked on the fridge side where I'm going to grind back the paint so I can get a good weld. But if you aren't going to weld, it's easy enough to just pop rivet them on. The reason I've cut them slightly shorter than what the drawer is because I am going to weld it, so that weld is just going to sit on the edge there nicely. I'll be able to clean it up, smooth it off, paint everything again, and it'll look like it's supposed to be made that way, hopefully. Same with the hinge at the front. Grind it back slightly shorter, get a bit of meat on the weld so it's not sticking way out here. But yeah, if you wanted to rivet it, just drill a few more holes, a few more rivets in there. Just be sure that the rivets aren't going to impact the base when it pulls out, when it slides out. There's the welds. Not the greatest welder in the world. It is the bottom side of the fridge. They're going to get ground down and painted. So there you go. Alright, ground down, painted. This is the underside of the drawer, so you're not really going to see it anyways. We'll go chuck it in. All mounted in there. Hockey strap at the back to help it tilt. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Hopefully it helps. If there's any questions, just chuck them in the comments below.